Good morning, everyone. My name is Mikdam, and I am the team leader for this project. My specialization is electronic, and I am responsible for analysis system and troubleshooting in this audio circuit project.
Good morning, my name is Sarah and I responsible for the circuit design in this system and I specialization of electric system. I developed the schematic and selected the component including resistor, transistor and integrated circuit.
Good morning everyone, my name is Tulita Erika. I am responsible for testing and measurement. My specialization is instrumentation. I utilize tools such as a multimeter to measure the voltage and verify the circuit connection.
Okay, allow me describe the system. The system is consists of audio amplifier circuit, speaker, resistor, capacitor and integrated circuit. So, what the function of the integrated circuit? The function of integrated circuit is the signal input into the audible output signal. The capacitor is to signal filtering and voltage stabilizer, while the resistor regulate the current within the circuit. So the system is the operate at 5 volts DC power supply.
During the testing pass, I will be using a multimeter to measure the voltage at key points, especially at VCC and ground terminals. During the laboratory testing, we observed that the audio output was not functioning as there was no sound produced by the speaker.
I believe the issue may be related to the power supply. In my opinion, the circuit is not receiving the required voltage.
I agree with your point, Mikdam. I also think we should to consider responsibility of failure components such as maybe the capacitor or the integrated circuit. So, what do you think?
Based on my measurement using a multimeter, there was no voltage detect on the VCC pin.
Could you clarify the exact measurement point?
Certainly, I measure directly at VCC and ground pins on the circuit.
In my opinion, is there is not voltage in VCC, the issue at the more likely to the connection the problem.
Suggest that we inspect the soldering on the VCC line.
My recommendation is to more carefully examine the PCB layout and then ensure that VCC more properly connected.
Upon inspection, I noticed that the VCC pins was not properly soldered, which may have caused the interruption in the power supply.
Let's explain the issue. A poor solder joint can prevent current from flowing to the circuit.
So let us decide the task. I confirm the schematic and verify the design.
I will handle the resoldering process on the VCC connection.
I will remeasure the voltage after the soldering has been corrected.
So what your opinion regarding the impact and the ensure and unstable VCC at the overall system performance?
It will completely disable the circuit since there is no power supply available.
Victor, could you explain why the speaker didn't produce any sound at all?
Because the integrated circuit cannot operate sufficient voltage supply.
So do you agree that issue because by soldering error rather than design flow?
Yes, I completely agree with that conclusion.
Okay, in conclusion, we have identified to the audio circuit failed due to an improper solder connection at the VCC line, which resulted in the absence of voltage supply.
So furthermore, we confirm the circuit design and components such as resistor, capacitor, and integrated circuit. Their functional is complete.
After repairing the solder connection, the circuit is expected to operate normally and produce the intended audio output.
Thank you for your attention. This concludes our discussion. Thank you for see you all.
See you.